Hey mates, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to stay anonymous when you exchanging your crypto to fiat currency or when you swap your crypto. Let's keep the bankers out of our pockets and keep our privacy with us. I don't say don't pay taxes or do illegal stuff, but when it's come to your own personal finance, let's stay anonymous. You know, it's our money that we work very hard to get it and save it. So basically this video I'm going to show you how to use the Tor network that it's anonymous. It's not 100% anonymous, but it will give you an advantage like more than 90% of the other people that's surfing the internet. And it's not so technical. Most of the comments I get is for people that use a Windows machine and they don't want to deal with all the configurations and all the disabling of the scripts or things like that. We don't want to get too technical. Thankfully, there is a couple of operation systems like Tails OS or Unix that work on a virtual machine. Those operation systems are already configured maximum security. You don't need to tweak the configuration and play with it too much. Turnkey solution, just run it and use it. So let's start to install it. It's a very easy procedure. I will show you. You don't need to be technical so much. You just need a virtual box and download the virtual machine and run it. That's it. Okay, so now we go to unix.org website. We're gonna download the virtual box version. I'm assuming you already installed VirtualBox. There is an old video of mine that shows how to install it. It's very easy. You just download and install it. After you downloading the Unix, the image, let's import it. You can tweak the resources you allocate to the machine. I add a bit of memory and a bit of CPU power, but it depends on your hardware. You don't have to touch it if you want to keep it as default. It will work. We're just going to surf the web. We're not going to run something sophisticated, and the Tor network is anyways quite slow, so we don't need strong machine for that. We just want to stay anonymous. As you can see, our VirtualBox environment have new two virtual machines we just important. Is one of them is the gateway. All the traffic will be routed via this gateway. It's kind of a Tor network router. Please make sure to run this virtual machine first before you start the other one, the workstation. Basically, the workstation won't let you surf the internet without the gateway already run. And after we run the gateway, let's run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade in order to make sure it's up to date. And then we will start the workstation virtual machine and do the same. Make sure the environment is up to date before we start to surfing the web via the Tor network. Okay, so the gateway has been updated and it's running. Now I'm gonna start the workstation. Let me just allocate a bit more of CPU and memory to the machine, to the workstation. But again, it's if you don't have enough hardware power, you don't have to do that. Open the terminal, run sudo apt update and upgrade. Just make sure it's up to date. Okay, system is up to date. You can open the apps. You can see which kind of app you have. They're very basic essential apps like Bitcoin mixers, because people are still using Bitcoin in the dark web, and Monero wallet, metadata cleaner, etc. Okay mate, let's open the browser and start to check the Tor network and what we have. Let's play a bit with the deep web, see how things going on. So click on the browser. Yeah, so as you can see, this is our default page. You have onion addresses of search engines and IP checks. So let's check first of all we're connected to the Tor network. It will do a basic check. And congratulations, your browser configured to use Tor. Yeah, so, and if you want new identity, you just click here and then it will delete everything and start new session. Okay, so now we got new IP. Yeah, as you can see, DuckDuckGo at the bottom of the screen, you see it's an onion address, but you can use DuckDuckGo default URL. Many websites have also onion URL. Basically, the onion is URL that meant to be specifically used in the Tor network. You can use a normal website. The problem that normal website have many script like JavaScripts and security protection that based on location that won't let you use the service and will expose your identity. For example, let's try Google. Probably it's block us. Oh, actually it's work, but usually it will block you. Let's try to search something. Okay, it's working. Don't know why it's working. Usually it's blocked me when I use Google. Basically, when you want to use the Tor network, it's good to start with the hidden wiki. The hidden wiki is like a portal that gives you a couple of useful onion links, because the deep web is not indexed. Therefore, you need to know to which site to go. There are search engine, but it doesn't work well like Google or DuckDuckGo or whatever. So let's write hidden wiki. Probably get a lot of results because there's many of those. Try the first one. For example, you have here financial service, dark mixer, probably a Bitcoin mixer. This we don't want to touch. Don't do illegal stuff. Okay, email provider. If you want anonymous email, I recommend to open actually anonymous email address. I think Proton is here somewhere. Yeah, Proton Mail, they have onion address, you see. So just use anonymous email provider, and you can also use like anonymous phone number. For example, KYC not me will provide you with rental number. You can choose the country you want, and there are many services that take crypto, and you can get anonymous phone number. Yeah, so here you can open the mail, and here let's type. Oh, it's so slow, sorry for that. Services. Yeah, you see you can get verified SMS, Monero SMS. There are many services that will provide you like temporary or monthly based subscription of anonymous phone number. Okay, we got the point. So get email address, anonymous email address, anonymous phone number. And let's say that now we want to exchange, right? We want to exchange something. Let me try, let's say exchange now. I know I once used it on Tor network and it's worked perfectly. Okay, let's try to create some of the websites have onion address. This one I don't see that have. Why it's so slow? Well, it's not onion website, and I'm in the middle of nowhere, and it's used so many nodes, so I guess it will take a long time. Okay, change now is working. Okay, so we can use change now. Let's check more exchanges. Basic have onion address. I'm not sure, but I think it's work on Tor. I know that Basic is work with Tor. You can actually use it. I don't see onion address, but they probably have. Let's check. Yeah, Tokado have onion address. You see, it's here. Yeah. So let's use the customized onion address. So Tokado is working. We can check, but it's working. It's too slow. I'm too lazy to check. It has an onion address, so it's probably working well. You can do your exchanges here. Let's check local coins swap. Yeah, it seems to work. Use anonymous email address that you open in Proton or any other provider, and you'll be okay. I don't see that they have a onion address. What else you want to check? ff.io. Probably won't work because I remember they have Cloudflare. Yeah, ff like fixedfloat.io doesn't work with Tor, as I can see. I remember it blocked me once. Well, that's life. But Tokado does work. Okay, basically when there is a data leak, it's will give you a notice there's a potential data leak and your information can get exposed. I don't see it happen now. Onion address available. Wow, it's actually give you alternative. Very nice. Anyway, that's it, mates. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, just leave in the comments, and I wish you a lovely day. Cheers.